Blooms, ito na naman tayo. Hello highlighters, it's Leo here. And 6 minutes before mag-close ang mall. Ayan, pinatayan na natin ng ilaw ng National Bookstore. Mabilisang humabol si Leo. Alam nyo namang di tayo nagpapahuli, di ba? Since Beanie and Sterling do have a collaboration, and you need to purchase worth 500 pesos of Sterling, Abanti, Orion, and Pentel products to get one photo card. At balita ko, 12 to collect. Huy! And what's great about this one is that there's a raffle for the Beanie Fan Meet. And if you're busy, pwede rin online bumili. So this is my haul, mga pentel pens, and one notebook binder. Actually, hindi ko naman siya masyadong kailangan. Pero alam niyo naman, mga alipin ng papel marurupok. So tara, let's unbox this one. Tingin nyo highlighters, sino una makuha natin? Boom! We got Joanna and Stacy duo! Medyo matte finish yung card and glossy yung mismong beanie. Alam nyo na yung chismis, 1 down, 11 more to go!